So what's up, everyone? Yesterday was a really good day. I want to go pick up some other bikes. So on yesterday's day, what was it? Yesterday was the 17th. So actually 2 days ago, this Banshee at around 10 o'clock was posted for sale for a decent price. I messaged the guy and right away. I lowered the price and he said, come pick it up. It was like 10:30. I told him, all right, I'll be on my way. He then messaged me, you know what, just come back tomorrow. And you come look at it tomorrow in the morning. I told him, you know, that works even better. Just post it as sold and I'll pick it up. So I got this new Banshee project on the way. Supposedly it runs. Haven't heard it run just yet. I literally just came and unpacked everything. And then, work my way in here. Yes, I got a Quadzilla. That's right, a Suzuki 500, also known as Quadzilla. If you know about bikes, you know that these bikes are very rare and they were just iconic bikes. They're known for their power, brute strength. Supposedly it also runs also. These bikes were sitting for 2-3 years from what I was told. But this bike has, you know, the cut plastics for dunes. Came with dune tires, sand tires as well. But I got a really good deal for all these bikes. That's my Banshee right there. It's completely, you know, running. It's perfectly fine. This is another bike, a little project that I have. It's a Suzuki Lt-185. Part should be coming in today. So just be expecting more videos on that. And then it's my sister's, what is it, a 250 automatic. But this Quadzilla, man, I can't believe I actually have my hands on a Quadzilla, and I got a really, talking about a really good price. Look at this Banshee. Look at this. It's like no major damage. Just it's been sitting for a long time. But let me go in the backyard and show you two other quads. This is just a quick update on what the toys that I have. This little dune buggy is my dad's. It needs a smaller bout. The bout's jumping on it. That's my lady's 400EX. These are the bikes out here. Let's go to the backyard and show you the rest. These are the other two bikes. This is a Suzuki. I'm not sure what year. I need to check the pink. Supposedly it runs also. We just didn't have no fuel. And this is a Blaster. Look at these vintage colors. It's the only reason why I bought it and was interested, just to the plastics and the seat. So if you know about Blasters, they're good bikes. This one is supposedly blown. I'm thinking about doing a rebuild. Not 100% sure. I got it for so cheap that I could definitely do a rebuild and still make some cash on top at the end of the day. So leave a comment down below if you guys would be interested on a complete build. If you guys were to know about me, I'm not that mechanically inclined. I started just like the rest of us. I've been doing this for about 6 months to a year, learning, you know, off the resources that I could find, Google, forums, YouTube, and you know, so far doing pretty good. But I'm thinking about rebuilding this. Not 100% sure just yet.